Hello and welcome to this deep, relaxing, guided meditation designed to help you release any stress, anxiety, and general negative overthinking. And thank you for connecting with Meditative Muse. I hope you enjoy this session and like this video. Please also subscribe to my channel to be notified of new uploads and to spread the light by creating an awareness for this channel. This meditation was created to help calm your mind by consciously clearing and releasing negative ruminating thoughts. Listen at any time to put your mind at ease with this deep and relaxing session. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. And sink into whatever it is you are sitting or laying on by allowing all of the muscles in your body to relax. And if you haven't already, close your eyes. Now it's time to disconnect from everything around you so you can recenter, reset, and rest your energy. So let's begin. Take a deep breath in, breathing in warm and relaxing energy. Hold it and exhale, releasing any stress or problem that needs to be solved. And breathe naturally now, in and out, slowly and gently. If any thoughts arise, tuck them away, as it is time to go deep and relax from the outside world. Now, imagine your mind becoming dark and quiet, like slowly drifting through space, feeling calm and relaxed, feeling good, peaceful and still. Trust that there is a process, and do not let fear, doubt, or discouragement paralyze or drive your life. Have peace in knowing that the answers you need already exist. And when you trust in this process, those answers are drawn closer to you. Allow the process to unfold naturally. Your strength and wisdom will increase within every challenging situation. Sometimes things aren't clear and will be difficult before they become easy. But like the bluest of waters, when it's rough, it's difficult to see. But when it's calm and tranquil, everything becomes clear. You are patient and calm. The closer you are to a still and peaceful mind, the closer you are to your greatest strength. There is no need to stress, no need to worry or overthink, but relax and be grateful, centered and quiet. Right now, imagine your entire body begin to light up with a bright, powerful, positive light, warming your entire body and disintegrating any negative feelings or emotions, keeping you from your powers and strengths. Tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. Within you is a peaceful stillness and a sanctuary where you can go to at any time and be yourself, feeling confident and at ease. By relaxing and calming your mind, trusting that everything will work out as it should. Feel free to stay in this moment for as long as you wish. Or if you are ready, you can open your eyes. Repeat this session anytime you need to relax deeply and calm the mind. You can do this.